Welcome back to SAS Beast Pro, your go-to spot for smarter design workflows. In today's video, we're diving into 7 hidden Figma shortcuts for Windows that'll help you design faster and work smoother. These are quick, powerful tweaks that can seriously level up your Figma game. Now let's get started. Number 1. Enable Outline Stroke. Shortcut. Outlining strokes is a common step in finalizing vector designs, but the default method can be slow. This shortcut gives you instant access to that function, saving time and clicks. It's a small tweak with a big payoff. Let's do it. Step 1. Select the layer you want to outline. This could be a shape, icon, or any vector object. Step 2. Click the Figma logo in the top left corner to open the main menu. Step 3. Hover over Preferences and click it to open the Settings panel. Step 4. In the Preferences menu, check the box labeled Use Old Shortcuts for Outlines. This enables the classic shortcut for outlining strokes. Step 5. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on Windows to instantly outline your selected stroke. The shortcut for showing outlines also changes to Shift plus O. And that's just the first one. The next shortcut will help you preview your designs with pixel-perfect precision. Let's keep going. Number 2. Use Pixel Preview Mode. Pixel Preview Mode lets you see exactly how your design will look when exported as a raster image. It's perfect for spotting blurriness or resolution issues before you hit export. This shortcut saves time and ensures crisp results. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. In Figma, look to the top right corner and open the Zoom View Options menu. Step 2. From the drop-down, select Pixel Preview. This will activate the pixel-based view of your design. Step 3. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus P on Windows to toggle Pixel Preview instantly. Step 4. Choose between 1x or 2x preview to simulate how your design will appear on standard or high-resolution screens. Step 5. If your design looks blurry at 1x, consider setting your frame to 2x resolution, or exporting as a 2x PNG for sharper results. That shortcut makes export prep way smoother, and the next one will help you manage layout grids with just a tap. Let's keep the momentum going. Number 3. Toggle layout grids. Quickly, layout grids help align elements precisely, but toggling them manually can slow you down. This shortcut lets you instantly show or hide grids across all frames. It's perfect for switching between design and presentation views. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Press Shift plus G on your keyboard to toggle layout grids on or off across your entire file. Step 2. If grids are visible, this shortcut hides them instantly. Press it again to bring them back. Step 3. If you prefer using the menu, click the Figma logo in the top left corner to open the main menu. Step 4. Hover over View and select Layout Grids to toggle them manually. Step 5. For view-only access, the shortcut may not work. In that case, use the menu method to show or hide grids. That shortcut makes switching views a breeze, and up next, we'll show you how to duplicate layers lightning fast with just one drag. Keep watching. Number 4. Duplicate layers with Alt Drag. Duplicating layers is a frequent task in UI design, and this shortcut makes it lightning fast. It's perfect for creating grids, repeating elements, or testing layout variations without breaking flow. No menus, no interruptions, just drag and go. Let's do it. Step 1. Click on the layer, shape, text, or component you want to duplicate in the Canvas or Layers panel. Step 2. Press and hold the Alt key on Windows. Your cursor will change to a double-headed arrow, showing you're in duplication mode. Step 3. While holding Alt, click and drag the layer to a new position. A copy will be created instantly as you drag. Step 4. Release the mouse button first, then release the Alt key to complete the duplication. Step 5. For perfect alignment, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This locks the movement to horizontal or vertical directions. That trick is a game changer for layout speed, and next up, we'll unlock tool switching with just a tap. Let's keep building momentum. Number 5. Switch tools using keys. Jumping between tools with single key shortcuts keeps your workflow fluid and distraction-free. It's faster than clicking through menus and helps you stay focused on design. Plus, number keys double as quick opacity controls. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Use single-letter keys to switch tools instantly. For example, press V for move, T for text, and R for rectangle. Step 2. Other handy shortcuts include F for frame, O for ellipse, L for line, P for pen, S for slice, and I for the color picker. Step 3. To adjust opacity, select a layer and type a number. Pressing 5 sets opacity to 50%, while 7 then 5 sets it to 75%. Step 4. Use 0 for 100% opacity, 1 for 10%, and 0 to make the layer fully transparent. That shortcut keeps your hands on the keyboard and your ideas flowing. And next, we'll zoom in with precision using a single command. Let's keep going. Number 6. Zoom to selection instantly. Zooming directly to a selected object helps you focus faster and avoid unnecessary panning. It's perfect for working on tight details or reviewing grouped elements. This shortcut keeps your canvas navigation sharp and efficient. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the layer or group you want to zoom in on. You can do this from the Canvas or Layers panel. Step 2. Press Shift+2 on your keyboard. Figma will instantly zoom the canvas to fit only the selected objects. Step 3. For manual zooming, press and hold the Z key to activate the zoom tool. Step 4. Click and drag your mouse to draw a box around the area you want to magnify. Release the mouse to zoom into that selection. That shortcut makes precision editing way easier. And next, we'll group elements with a single command to tidy up your layers. Let's keep rolling. Number 7. Group elements with Ctrl+. G. Grouping elements keeps your layers organized and makes editing multiple objects much easier. It's a simple shortcut that speeds up layout adjustments and keeps your design tidy. Perfect for managing components and repeated sections. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Select 2 or more objects on your canvas. These can be shapes, text, icons, or any combination. Step 2. Press Ctrl+G on Windows to instantly group them. Figma will treat them as a single unit, making it easier to move or resize together. Thanks for watching this full breakdown of 7 hidden Figma shortcuts for Windows. We hope these tips help you design faster and smarter. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to SAS Beast Pro and stay tuned for the next one.